Hello to all. My name is Samiksha Godalkar. Um, I am assistant professor in SND College of Engineering, Yeola. Today we will give a video lecture on the topic of Zener diode. As shown in a slide, here is a symbol of Zener diode having a two-terminal anode and cathode. The Zener diode is as shown in slide. In this subject, we see the Zener diode. Firstly, see the introduction of Zener diode, then construction of Zener diode, working of Zener diode, application of Zener diode, numerical of Zener diode. The introduction of Zener diode is the Zener diode is a silicon PN junction device that differs from rectifier diode because it is designed for operation in the reverse breakdown region. The breakdown voltage of a Zener diode is set by carefully controlling the level during manufacture. The basic function of Zener diode is to maintain a specific voltage across its terminal within given limits of a line or load change. Typically, it is used for providing a stable reference voltage for use in power supply and other equipments. This is a particular Zener circuit diagram as shown in slide. Will work to maintain 10 volt across the load. First input is V in. V in voltage is given to the resistance R. At the resistance R, the Zener diode 1N4740 is connected at the output of resistance. The output voltage is 10 volt is across Zener diode. The construction of a Zener diode is Zener diode are designed to operate in reverse breakdown. Two types of reverse breakdown in a Zener diode are avalanche and Zener. The avalanche breakdown occurs in both rectifier and Zener diode at sufficiently high reverse voltage. Zener breakdown occurs in a Zener diode at low reverse voltage. A Zener diode is heavily doped to reduce the breakdown voltage. This causes a very thin depletion region. The Zener diode breakdown characteristics are determined by the doping process. The Zeners are commercially available with voltage breakdown of 1.8 volt. The anode terminal is connected to the P region and the cathode terminal is connected to the N region. In PN junction, the depletion region is formed. A Zener diode is a much like a normal diode. The exception of being is that it is placed in the circuit in reverse bias and operates in reverse breakdown. This typical characteristics curve illustrates the operating range for a Zener. Note that its forward characteristics are just like a normal diode. The normal operating regions for a rectifier diode are shown as a shaded region. The normal operating region for a Zener diode is shaded. The breakdown characteristics of a Zener diode is figure shows the reverse portion of a Zener diode characteristic curve. As the reverse voltage VR is increased, the reverse current IR remains extremely small up to the knee of the curve. The reverse current is also called as a Zener current IZ. At this point, the breakdown effect begins. The internal Zener resistance, also called Zener impedance, begins to decrease as reverse current increases rapidly. The Zener breakdown. Zener and avalanche effect are responsible for such a dramatic increase in the value of current at the breakdown voltage. If the impurity concentration is very high, then the width of the depletion region is very less. Less width of the depletion region will cause high intensity of electric field to develop in the depletion region at low voltages. Let's take an example to understand things clearly. Let's say the width of the depletion region is 200 ampere, which is very small. If the reverse bias voltage of just 4 volt is applied to the diode, then the electric field intensity in the depletion region is 4 upon 200 into 10 raised to minus 10 is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 8 volt per meter. Merely a voltage of 4 volt is responsible to generate an electric field intensity of 2 into 108 volt per meter, very high intensity. This electric field is sufficient to rupture the bonds and separate the valence electrons from their respective nuclei. Large number of electrons get separated from their atoms, resulting in sudden increase in the value of reverse current. This explanation was given by scientist C. E. Zener. Such diodes are called Zener diodes. Zener effect predominates in diodes whose breakdown voltage is below 6 volt. The next Zener diode is avalanche breakdown. The avalanche breakdown concept we see in next video lecture. Thank you.